nice and hot, we bring it over here. Make sure that our material is flat on the surface, otherwise it's a wasted blow. No more than 3 strikes at a time before you lay it sideways. And the reason we do that is because you don't want to create fish lips on the edge of your blade. That is cold enough that we want to get it hot again. Forming the handle, we're going to place the material on the anvil at 4 1/2 to 5 inches. Just make a little nub there. I'm just cleaning it off with acetone because, well, it's a good thing to do. Get rid of oils from my hands and that sort of stuff. This is Johnson's paste wax. And look how it reveals that grain structure. A beautiful bird's eye maple up under there. And buff that off with the blade so that you don't have to. Now you have a beautiful knife.